This is Mr. McLauchlan, and I teach the United States history and civics. First, if I've been given the opportunity to teach your son or daughter this year, well, thank you. This year, our U.S. history class will be learning about our history from the early colonies until the Civil War. We will explore history by looking at documents and discovering what happened in our country so long ago. My civics classes will learn about what it means to be an engaged citizen in our country. They will learn about the responsibilities and obligations of citizens, as well as the amazing rights that are given to each one of us. Whichever class they may take, I encourage my students to come prepared for class every day. Bring a notebook, a pencil, and a willingness to learn. If your child is out, they can always go into Canvas and find the material that we will cover each day. If you ever have any questions or concerns about how your child is doing in their class, you can email me anytime. And finally, welcome to Dunedin Highland Middle School. Go Highlanders!